So guys, this short tutorial is just going to be telling you how I achieved the eye look and the lip look of this look. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. So now, this is my beautiful model and her name is IBK. I'm just going to go ahead to trim her brows first things first. Not trim it too much because I like the full effect, but I'm just going to like remove excess hair. And so if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, okay? Encourage a sister, okay? Now we're using this eye primer. It's the Helen E Cosmetics eye primer. Really amazing. If you don't have the eye primer, no problem at all. You can always use a concealer, preferably a concealer that dries fast. Okay, Nuban Beauty for Nigerian brands. Yeah. So now I'm just using a crease color, like it's like a wineish, like a deep wine. You guys can see it. I'm not going in with too much product. I did it on her crease. I'm doing it on her lower lash line. Yeah, that's what I'm just doing. I'm just going to give it a kind of smoky effect because I'm going for a bronzy look. Now I'm going again with the same shade, but I want a deeper consistency, so I'm going in with a darker shade of eyeshadow. The reason why I did this was because of the effect I was going for. You can always skip this step and just use your normal transition colors if you want. So now I'm using this Inglot eyeshadow pigment. So if you have a regular eyeshadow, you can use this, but I'm using this eyeshadow pigment because of the kind of effect I wanted on her eyelid. And I'm using this fluffy brush. If you can't control your brush, you can always use like a flat brush. Now I'm going in with my Morphe palette with a black eyeshadow just to smoke out under the eye a bit, because that is what we want to do. That is the effect we are going for. So I'm just going to smoke out her eye with the dark eyeshadow. And next off, I'm going in with a gel liner. This is a Zaron gel liner. I particularly like this eyeliner because it dries fast and it's waterproof. So I'm just going in with the gel liner on her waterline, and I'm also going in with this black pencil. It's Haga and Esther. You guys, I always use Nigerian brands, so this is really helpful. These are affordable brands. Yeah. So next off, we're going in with this Mabrook gel liquid liner. Sorry, I particularly like this one because of the brush. The brush is really thin, so it helps you it gives you a lot of control. Yeah. So now I'm going in for the lips. That's it for the eyes, and I'm going for the lips. I'm just cleaning her lip with baby wipes, and this is it, fresh for application. And I'm buffing out the powder, the setting powder on top of her cupid's bow. Now I'm going to line her lips. So for this lip look, you guys, I'm going for a full lip effect. And when you're going for a full lip effect, you have to overline, but not overline too much, but just overline a little bit, depending on how the person wants it and depending on what fits the person's face. Okay, don't just go and overdo because you want to have full lips. Yeah, it's not nice. Now I'm using this pencil. This is my the pencil I used was the pencil I used for drawing her brows, but you can use any brow pencil you want. Now I'm going in with a light brown shade because of the kind of lip look I'm going for. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm going for a light brown shade just to line the lips proper. Now the lips, you have to wait for the lip stain to get dry, then you go back again and reline the lips just to give it definition. Okay, now this is my brow pencil I'm using, but you guys, you can use any brow pencil or any brown pencil you have. You don't have to use the exact thing. Now I'm going in with this nude lip stain from Zaron, also a Nigerian brand. This one particularly, I actually don't know if it's a Nigerian brand, but it's kind of like a peachy nudish look. That's the look I'm going for, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead now to blend it. So the trick is to just wait for it to be tacky a bit, then start blending really fast. Okay, sometimes if you use the swiping motion, it would most likely not blend properly, so you have to tap. But now I'm using this fluffy brush just to blend it. This is a technique you have to master, because if you overdo, it's going to shift. Okay, now this is how it looks now, but I didn't really like it, so I went ahead with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn just to give it a more brownish nudish look, and this is how it looks, you guys. I love this lip so much. Now I'm going in with this Zaron lip gloss. It's a nude lip gloss. I'm just using that particular lip gloss for the middle of her lip, okay? Just for the middle. I don't want everywhere to just be nude like that. Just for the middle. I'm using the opposite side of my brush, because if you use your brush side, it might shift. Now I'm using this clear gloss. It's kind of, it has shimmers in it, but it's also Zaron, and I'm using it in the outer part. So this is something I really like to do if I'm achieving like a nude look. I use two different type of lip glosses just for the full vavavoom effect. So this is the finished look, guys. This is the lip. I love this lip so much, you guys. Like, this lip is amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and I fix lashes. In case you guys didn't notice, I actually fix lashes. Yes, I'm going ahead to dust out excess powder, dust out all the excess powder from everywhere under her eyes, and any eyeshadow that must have, like, pigments that must have fallen off. And I'm actually applying the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, just to like warm up her face a bit. If you want the skin, I have a tutorial on like highlights, contouring for dark skin. You can check that out in my videos. And now I'm using this TM Essential Hydrating Glow Mist just to set everything on her face. And now I'm using this fan to dry it out. So most clients get paranoid at this point, because they'll be like, oh, my face is oily, my face is sweaty. Just tell them to relax, okay? They should relax. Next off, we are going to highlight. So I'm using my my usual, like my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife from my Bobbi Brown. I can't remember the name, but I always use this too. Always, okay? Now that's what I'm just doing. I'm not really putting too much on top, because I did a lot of liquid illuminating beneath the skin, so it's going to glow anyway. You guys can see that already. And now I'm going ahead just to blend in her false lashes with her normal lashes. This is the technique I like to use, and you guys have to hop on this technique, because if you have terry clients, this is going to work. So since we're almost at the end of this video, you guys, please subscribe, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, so this is it. Now we're going with to the bottom lash. This bottom lash, how to apply this is just to take the attention from wherever you're applying. So if you're applying on the bottom lid, just tell them to look up. If you want to get to the corner, tell them to look the opposite direction, so they don't blink and you don't make any mistake. So I'm going to go ahead to use the TM Essential Tint and Theme. So this is just to keep the brows in place and also make the brows lighter. But naturally, she has thick brows, so we're not going to do too much there. And so guys, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And this is when we got her snatched with the wig. You guys, let me know whether you prefer her with the wig or without the wig. But this is the finished look, you guys. It's the skin for me. What is your favorite part of this look, you guys? I think it's the lips and the skin. I can't even pick, you guys. Like this is not edited. And next, this we changed the look because we had a photo shoot, and this is the second look. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to like, share, comment, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.